If you're experiencing issues with the Roblox installation loop, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements for Roblox. This includes having a compatible operating system, sufficient RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus software or firewall settings that may be blocking the installation process. Sometimes, security programs can interfere with installations. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Clear your system's temporary files to remove any corrupted data that might be causing the installation loop. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 4. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox completely from your device and then download the latest version from the official Roblox website. This ensures that you have the most up-to-date installation files. Step 5. Run as administrator. When installing Roblox, right-click on the installer and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation to fail. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and successfully install Roblox. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.